Good morning everybody, today is travel day at last. This has been a long time coming and I'm really excited to get going. So first stop is in Valencia and I'll explain the rest of the trip later down the line when I get there. The flight's just about to board, but right now I just cannot wait to get out to the sunshine. Not exactly the start I thought I'd be getting from this trip. I'm in my hotel in Valencia now to escape the rain for a little bit. It's just so unfair because we took off from Ireland, it was like 16 degrees and sunny, and here it's 14 degrees and raining. And this is supposed to be southern Spain where it's all sunny, but can't predict the weather unfortunately. So I thought I'd take this time to share what I'm doing and the route that I'm taking and stuff like that. If you don't follow me on social media, you're probably completely clueless. So here in Valencia is my first stop on my very first Interrail trip. I've never Interrail before, so this is a whole new experience for me. If you don't know what Interrailing is, it's basically a pass that you can buy that gives you access to most, if not all, trains around Europe. You can mix and match as much as you want. You kind of pick the destinations that you want to go to. They do give recommended routes for first timers, which is what I used, and I decided to go for the southern Mediterranean one. So I'm going to be interrailing for the next month, and I'm going to be backpacking between cities around Europe. So starting here in Valencia to Barcelona to Montpellier, Marseille, Nice. I'm going to do Monaco for a day, Genoa, Livorno, Pisa, a few other places in Italy as well, all the way down to Naples, and I'm going to go to the Amalfi Coast as well, and I'm going to finish this trip in Malta, which I'm very excited about. So my route is primarily based around southern Europe, around the Mediterranean, and hopefully we get some nice sunshine out of it, and I'm really excited to be back making content as well because I really missed it. So really I'm only in Valencia for one full day, which is tomorrow. Today I'm kind of chilling out because I'm running on an hour and a half of sleep, and I just want to kick back and relax for a little bit and get my itinerary together and stuff like that to have a really great day tomorrow. Unfortunately, the weather is not looking great for tomorrow either, so I'm primarily basing it around indoor activities, but luckily Valencia does look like it has a lot to do as well for indoor activities, which is great. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Good morning from Valencia, where it is raining just as bad as it was yesterday, if not worse. I got off the bus about 5 minutes ago. My feet are already soaking. But lucky for me, Valencia is actually known as a big art and science hub. So there are plenty of museums and indoor activities that I could do as well to try and escape the rain. So right now I'm walking down towards the Oceanographic, which is said to be Europe's largest aquarium. So let's go. So I'm just about finished here in the aquarium. But before I go, I thought I'd try some paella, which Valencia is actually known as the home of paella. This is where it all came from. Never had it before, so I thought I'd try some here. I googled to see what is in Valencian paella, what makes a difference to all the other ones, and it says it's usually chicken, rabbit, and usually prepared with snails. And I don't see any snails here, but I've never had rabbit before, so let's give it a try. That's actually really good. So I just finished with the aquarium. I was actually in there for a lot longer than I thought it would be. It's so big and there's so much to see in it. It's well worth the visit if you're here. with the rainy and stuff now, I'm actually going to walk back to my hotel just so I can get a good look around Valencia and to get to know it better. Every time I go on some sort of city break, you can guarantee to find me ending up in some park somewhere, because I absolutely love city parks. You can kind of get an idea of how much rain they've had for the last while. A good portion of the park is all flooded. Hotel now for the night, and I really hope you enjoyed this taster of Valencia. And I say taster as well because honestly I don't think I explored this place properly because of the weather, and just I didn't have enough time to get around and see everything. I would love to come back someday when the weather is a bit better and to do the place justice basically. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is only stop 1 of my Interrail trip, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And also if you want to follow along as I go as well, I am posting regularly on social media, mainly Twitter and Instagram. The links are down below. So I'm going to go start packing now for my next stop, which is Barcelona, which I'm very excited for. And it looks like over the weekend the weather is going to get better, so fingers crossed for that. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.